What's up, Masterminds? It's Zach Applewhite, and I want to take a moment because of the comment in the Discord reawakened me to the fact that I speak things in a very direct and assertive and confident tone, which to many people leaves no room for their own thoughts. And this is something I'm working on. It's also something that is appreciated about me, so I'm trying to find the balance. And the thing that I want to say about it, though, is that there's always room for suggestion. Believe it or not, no matter how confidently and assertively I speak something, there is always room to debate me. I just happen to grow up in a family where interrupting people was natural, challenging people's opinions and thoughts was natural, and if you didn't voice your opinion strongly, you didn't have an opinion, and opinion was projected onto you. And so this is just the way I was raised. Maybe it's the Texan in me. Maybe growing up in a family of anti-establishment educators has just ruined me forever. But I promise, no matter how much I say, you should do this, you should do that, you should do this, I'm always willing to learn. And I am always willing and I will never be offended by you just completely disregarding my opinion because it doesn't match your situation or your experience. And I just wanted to make sure I've said that so that everyone can move forward knowing that there is room for them in whatever I say, wherever I say it, whenever I say it. Y'all have a good one.